welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm working on a 13-inch MDF round and my first colour is TLP Cappuccino. My pillow is white house paint and the actual brand name is called British Paints. Second colour is Golden Interference Gold. Golden is the brand, and I use the heavy body golden tubes. And then my next colour is Show Pony, also by TLP. TLP stands for This Little Piggy, and you can buy the pigments from fluid-art.co. Details will be in my description box below. And this is Triart Copper. Oh, changing my mind, I'm putting another TLP. This is Enchantment, but it's a little bit thick, so I've just added a little bit of water to it from my water spray, so I don't add too much water, because once you've thinned it too much, you can't, it's really difficult to get it back to your right consistency. So that's Enchantment. Weird colour combination, I don't know where I got the idea to put these colours together. And now I'm using the Copper by Triart. I did this one, oh gosh, months ago, and I found it on my phone. Don't know why I never edited it until now. And this is Red Violet. I don't know the make. It would be either Atelier or Matisse. I didn't have it written on my container, just said Red Violet. And my Activators 2 today, this one is Atelier Titanium White, mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint. And my second colour is another Atelier, and it's blue black, mix the same as the white. And I'm going to use my hairdryer, and we're doing a simplistic bloom today. So I'm going to put some music on and let you carry on watching. Just like to thank you all for being here. This one, once it dried, I did add a little bit of the colours in the bottom at the base of it, where the white cell activator was. I didn't like it, it just looked a bit white and splodgy, so I just added some of the colours into it, and you'll see that at the end. Thank you all for leaving lovely comments. I have caught up with the comments today. Sorry it's taken me a while to reply to them, but yeah, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and any questions, ask in the comment section below. I will eventually reply, and to access that you can click on the video title to easily access if you're on a computer, laptop, phone, iPad, but not if you're watching via your smart TV. Okay then, thanks guys, music on now, bye.